Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create groups for your support agents. You can do this either manually or by importing them in bulk. First, let me show you how to import groups in bulk. Using the Import Data feature lets users quickly and efficiently create multiple groups, saving time and avoiding the need for manual data entry. The data import process can be initiated from two locations: from the Admin Center using the Import Data module or directly from the Groups module in the Users and Permissions section, using the Import option on the Groups listing page. When I click the Import option, a page opens. Select the Groups option from the drop-down menu in the Modules section. Then, choose the preferred way to handle duplicate records. You can choose to skip or overwrite them. Next, I browse for the file. There is an option to download a sample file, which serves as a guide for identifying the columns used in BoldDesk for groups. I click the Next button to map the columns from the source file to the corresponding fields for groups in BoldDesk. If the columns from the source file align with the fields for BoldDesk's agents or groups, field mapping will be completed automatically. Once the mapping is completed, click Next to show a summary of the column mapping. Then, I click the Import button. The request will be queued, and I will receive an email notification when the import is complete. The import process can be cancelled by clicking the Cancel Import option, which is available when the import is running or has not started. When the data import process is complete, a log of the imported files will be recorded in the Import Histories section. Consider the following aspects when importing data. The maximum supported file size is 5 MB, which should not exceed 5,000 records. The supported file formats are XLS, XLSX, and .csv. Finally, let's see how to manually create groups in BoldDesk. I click on the Create Group option from the Groups listing page. On the pop-up window that appears, I enter the group name and description, which is optional. Then, I click Create. The group profile page will open. To add agents to the group, I click Add Agents option and a dialog box will open. I select the agents to add to this group from the drop-down list and click Add. I click Save. Organizing agents into teams helps in sharing tickets, setting ticket automations and SLA rules, ticket access restriction and sharing filters. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tutorials on BoldDesk features.